Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam and Sir. I am Madeline Darilag, 24 years old, married to Edgar Darilag, 32 years old. I have daughter, 2 years old. I have 3 brothers, and I am the second child of among the family.
Are you afraid of pets like dog or cat?
No, Madam, I'm not afraid of pets.
Do you have any experience working in other country?
No, Madam, but I have experience working here in the Philippines for almost 2 years. I took care 2 years old baby and do household chores.
Do you know how to take care of children?
Yes, Madam, I know how to take care of children as well as newborn baby.
Do you know how to take care of elderly?
Yes, Madam, I know how to take care of elderly through my grandparents at age of 78.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, Madam, I know how to cook Chinese food like steamed fish, fried rice, and noodles.
If you come to Hong Kong, who take care of your children?
My husband, Madam.
Do you like to work with other maids?
Yes, Madam.
Would you mind if your holiday will fixed by the employer?
Yes, Madam.
Can you sing children's song?
Yes, Madam. I have 2 hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high, so clean and bright. Clap them softly. 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see.
Tell me what you want to say to your future employer.
Madam, Sir, if you hired me, do not regret. I am self-motivated, and hardworking girl. Thank you.